This 2014 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 37 LS is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Ocala, Florida, 34473 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features Bunk Over Cab, Loft, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2014 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 37 LS. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.